Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Today we are going to learn the basic stroke order. Are you ready? Let's go! The first 4 rules are easy to remember, and I believe some of you already know about them. Let's see some examples together. The first one, you need to write from top to bottom, like this character. And the second one, you need to write from left to right. You need to write the left part firstly, and then the right part. And the third one, you need to write horizontals before verticals, like this. And the fourth one, you need to write left falling before right falling, like this. And next one, there are 3 more rules here. Let's learn them from looking at the examples. The fifth one, you need to write from outside frame to inside strokes, like the character 月, which means moon. You need to write outside firstly, and then the inside strokes. Next one, you need to write major middle stroke before the 2 sides, like the character here, which means small, is 小. You need to write the middle strokes firstly, and then the 2 sides. And next one, you need to finish what is inside box before you close it, like the character here, which means day, 日. There's a box here you can see, so you need to finish what is inside the box before you close it. Okay, so that's all we need to learn today. Well done everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to show others how we write characters. Like the first character here, 木, which means wood. The first stroke should be horizontal, and the next stroke should be vertical, and the last 2 strokes should be sweeping left and then sweeping right. See? That's how we show others how we write characters. Here is a small task for you. You need to write the stroke orders down the way you've just learned. Have a try. You can